right, so what I'm doing is getting registered for the BFL that will be taking place this weekend on Lake Lanier. So let me just pull up my screen real quick. What I'm going to do, guys, just wanted to take a look at some basic information on the Major League Fishing website. So I see they give us the event details, takeoff, weigh in, that type of information. And then they have the important dates, the registration dates, things like that. So that's some very important information that you want to take a look at. But for me, I am going to go ahead and give them a call so that I can get the information firsthand from them on the phone, since this will be, I just want to make sure that I get everything registered correctly.
Thank you for calling Major League Fishing. If you know your party's three-digit extension, you may dial it at any time, or for dial by name directory, dial 9, or please stay on the line for the next available representative. Thank you. Thank you for calling customer service. Please hold for the next available agent.
All right, looks like we have.
This is Kayla. Can I help you?
Hello, Kayla. How you doing? I was calling to get some information regarding registration for this weekend's BFL on Lake Lanier.
Okay. Are you already registered for that tournament, or are you wanting to register for that?
Right, I want to register for it, and this is my first time registering for any of them. So, I just wanted to call to make sure that I did everything correctly.
Okay. Are you a member with us?
No.
All right. And will you be going as a boater or co-angler?
A boater?
Okay.
And someone was telling me that you guys could tell us like how many boaters and co-anglers are already registered, because I guess they have to match us up with co-anglers or something like that.
I have 2 co-anglers on the wait list, so you'll be okay on that.
Okay, gotcha.
All right. We'll start with your membership. Give me your last name one more time. Okay. First name, address.
And will that address, is that going to be posted online or anything like that, or should I give my P.O. box for that?
No, sir. It won't be posted online.
Okay, gotcha.
And your email address?
It's let's use MoneyBass. It's MoneyBass 404@gmail.com.
And a phone number for you?
404.
An emergency contact number, somebody we can call in case of emergency. That's not the number you just gave me.
Okay, it's 617.
Okay. Your date of birth?
February.
And who's your mobile provider?
Verizon.
And you were wanting to do Lanier as a boater.
Yes.
And what kind of boat do you have?
I have a 2020 Nitro Z20. And that has a Mercury 250 on it.
Is all your equipment going to be a 2020?
Yeah, the motor, the boat. Is that what you mean?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Do you have a trolling motor?
Yes. So yeah, all of that came with the boat. It was the pro package that came with it.
All right. It's going to be $396.55, and that's for your membership. That'll last you for a year from today, as well as your entry into that tournament.
All right.
I just need a card number from you.
Okay, and one other quick question. So what was the total again? You said it was $396.55. And so 300 is for the tournament, correct? Is that the way it's 200 for the first day?
85 for the membership and $11.55 credit card processing fee.
Gotcha. All right, sounds good. It's a Visa card, 27.
Expression?
12. Do I get like an email with any type of instructions or anything? I know they have like a meeting or something like that on Friday.
Yes, you will get an email, like an email confirmation.
Okay.
You will also get some text messages from us. You are going to get one that tells you to check in, but you can disregard that one. I've already got you checked in.
Gotcha.
So you will, okay. You'll get an email with a confirmation that'll have some information on it, and then starting Friday morning, you'll start getting some text messages with the information like about the meeting and how to check in for that. And then after the meeting, you'll get a text message with your co-angler link information.
Right. Okay, great. That sounds good. I really, really appreciate it.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions, feel free just to call us back.
Okay. All right. Thanks a lot.
You're
All right. Bye-bye. All right, there you have it, guys. I am now registered for the BFL. You heard all the pertinent information. So now let me go ahead and get geared up and head to the lake for some pre-fishing and see how things are going out there, guys. So let's have a good time with this. Make sure you follow along on this journey, guys. If you guys are interested in fishing some BFLs, I may have some information to help you out. And actually, let's go ahead and do a live stream on the BFLs, guys. So let's get that done. And I really appreciate you supporting the channel. Please make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe. We have a lot of good information, weekly videos, weekly live streams, a lot of good things coming, guys. All right, let's go ahead and head to the water, and I will see you on the next video. Oh, yes. This right here, guys, this is definitely a new PB. Look at that.